नाज़रीन, दिल अपना पाकिस्तान के साथ इंतखाब अहमद आज इस्लामिक रिलीफ के स्टॉल पे यहाँ पे सरे में एक बहुत बड़ी गैदरिंग हो रही है और हम इसका हाल आपको दिखाते हैं। देखते रहिए वैंकूवर की जान, दिल अपना पाकिस्तान। जी नाज़रीन, मेरे साथ सैली हैं जो कि इस्लामिक रिलीफ कनाडा की एक वॉलंटियर हैं और वो यहाँ पे कुछ अफ़गानिस्तान की चीज़ें लेके आई हुई हैं। मैं इनसे बात करता हूँ। सैली, वेलकम टू माय शो दिल अपना पाकिस्तान।
Hello.
हाउ आर यू?
I'm good. How are you?
All good. So you have, I see the shirts are from Afghanistan.
Yes.
They are made in
Afghanistan shirts. We have Kabul. This is the
regular one, yeah.
RRC merch.
Yeah, Mizar Sharif, yeah, nice.
Yes.
Nice. So this is good. It's a good thing that productions from Afghanistan are
Yes.
showing up.
Yes.
Yeah.
And these are all the money we raise from selling these all goes to the emergency funds that we're currently working on. But today is going to be an introductory town hall meeting. They're going to discuss the vision and the agenda for Ramadan 2022 and everything that's happening in the next few weeks. So it's a lot of exciting stuff, inshallah.
Very good. That's very good. Good to know about that. Thank you.
No worries.
Thank you. जी नजरी मेरे साथ इमाम अनीस साहब हैं, इनसे हम बात करते हैं। जी आप बताइएगा कि आज जी यहाँ पे इस्लामिक रिलीफ का जो इवेंट हो रहा है उसमें आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या होने वाला है?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. By the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we are very fortunate today to be here, where Islamic Relief has invited the community members to discuss how they can help this community and help the world in general to get them out of out of their sufferings and all of their the hardship that they're going through. So inshallah we'll be sitting here listening to what they have to say and see how us as a community here in British Columbia can help them achieve their goal in helping the worldwide community. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us all and bless this community.
Thank you very much. Shukriya.